Life Simplified, the heartfelt stories behind the world's top 5 life-changing technologies. The power of innovation in everyday life. In today's rapidly evolving world, technology plays an indispensable role in simplifying our lives. From smartphones to online learning platforms, these innovations are not just tools, but lifelines that connect, empower, and transform our daily experiences. This story embarks on a journey through 5 groundbreaking technologies, revealing the deeply personal and emotional stories of the people whose lives have been changed forever. Through powerful narratives, we will uncover the highs and lows of human experiences, showcasing the profound impact of these technologies on everyday life. Chapter 1: Smartphones, Bridging Distances, Opening Opportunities. The migrant worker. In a bustling city, Ahmed, a migrant worker from Bangladesh, spends his days toiling on construction sites to support his family back home. After a long day, he eagerly waits for the moment he can pull out his smartphone. Through video calls, Ahmed sees his children's faces and listens to their stories, feeling a deep connection despite the miles between them. The smartphone becomes his bridge to home, alleviating the loneliness and giving him strength to carry on. The small business owner. Sophia, a passionate baker in a small town, dreams of expanding her bakery. With the help of mobile apps, she markets her delicious pastries on social media, manages orders, and even tracks deliveries. Her business grows steadily, and she becomes a local sensation. The smartphone is her powerful ally, turning her small venture into a thriving enterprise. The student. In a remote village in Kenya, Lydia, a bright young student, uses her smartphone to access educational resources. She participates in online classes, downloads textbooks, and communicates with teachers and peers. The smartphone opens a world of knowledge to her, breaking down barriers and nurturing her dreams of becoming a doctor. Chapter 2: Internet of Things, IT, Integrating Technology Seamlessly. The senior citizen. Margaret, an elderly woman living alone in London, relies on IoT devices to maintain her independence. Her smart home is equipped with devices that monitor her health, remind her to take medications, and even control the lights and thermostat. These technologies give Margaret peace of mind and allow her to live comfortably and safely in her own home. The farmer. In the fertile plains of Iowa, Tom, a dedicated farmer, utilizes IoT technology to enhance his agricultural productivity. Sensors in his fields monitor soil moisture levels, weather conditions, and crop health, sending real-time data to his smartphone. With this information, Tom optimizes irrigation, reduces waste, and increases yields, ensuring a sustainable future for his farm. The city planner. Lena, a visionary city planner in Singapore, implements smart infrastructure to improve urban living. IoT devices monitor traffic patterns, manage energy consumption, and enhance public safety. These innovations create a more efficient, livable city, demonstrating how technology can seamlessly integrate into daily life, improving the quality of life for all residents. Chapter 3: E-commerce platforms, convenience, and economic empowerment. The single parent. Rachel, a single parent in New York City, starts an online store to support her family. She sells handmade crafts and finds joy and financial stability in her venture. E-commerce platforms provide her with a marketplace, customer reach, and logistical support, turning her creativity into a sustainable livelihood. The rural artisan. In the mountains of Peru, Miguel, a skilled weaver, brings his traditional crafts to the global market through an e-commerce platform. His products reach customers around the world, preserving his heritage and providing economic prosperity for his community. The platform becomes a gateway to the world, connecting his rural craftsmanship with appreciative buyers globally. The delivery driver. Carlos, a dedicated delivery driver in Mexico City, ensures products arrive on time, navigating the city's busy streets with precision. His job is demanding but fulfilling, as he plays a crucial role in the e-commerce ecosystem, bringing goods from sellers to buyers and making the convenience of online shopping possible. Chapter 4: Health Wearables, Proactive Health Management. The Fitness Enthusiast. Emily, a fitness enthusiast in Los Angeles, uses a wearable device to track her progress. Her smartwatch monitors her heart rate, steps, and workouts, helping her stay motivated and achieve her fitness goals. The wearable technology becomes her personal trainer, guiding her towards a healthier lifestyle. The patient. John, a middle-aged man managing diabetes, relies on a wearable glucose monitor to keep his condition in check. The device provides real-time data, alerting him to any fluctuations and allowing him to manage his diet and insulin levels more effectively. This technology gives John the freedom to live his life without constant worry, offering a sense of control and peace. The doctor. Dr. Nguyen, a cardiologist in San Francisco, uses data from patients' wearable devices to provide better care. She can monitor their health remotely, making informed decisions and offering personalized advice. This integration of wearable technology into healthcare transforms patient management, ensuring proactive and responsive care. Chapter 5: Online Learning Platforms, Empowering Lifelong Learners. The Young Student. In a remote village in India, Rani, a young girl with a thirst for knowledge, accesses quality education through online learning platforms. Despite limited resources, she excels in her studies, participating in virtual classrooms and engaging with teachers from around the world. These platforms democratize education, giving Rani the tools to pursue her dreams. The professional. Alex, a mid-career professional in Berlin, upskills through online courses. He learns new programming languages and project management skills, enhancing his career prospects. The flexibility and accessibility of online learning allow him to balance work, study, and family life, opening new doors of opportunity. The teacher. Ms. Lee, a dedicated teacher in South Korea, adapts to virtual classrooms with creativity and resilience. She uses online platforms to deliver engaging lessons, ensuring her students continue to learn and thrive despite the challenges of remote education. Her story highlights the adaptability and dedication of educators in the digital age, celebrating human resilience and innovation. As we conclude our journey through the transformative power of these 5 life-changing technologies, we celebrate the resilience and ingenuity of the human spirit. From smartphones to online learning platforms, these innovations are not just simplifying lives, but also empowering individuals and communities around the world. Through compelling and relatable storytelling, we have highlighted the personal triumphs and challenges faced by those interacting with these technologies. This series not only teaches English, but also offers a deeper understanding of the profound ways technology is enriching human life across the globe.